Welcome to TR Aqua Studios. Embark on a journey beneath the waves, where wonders await and mysteries unfold. The deep ocean is one of the last true frontiers on our planet. It's a world of crushing pressure, freezing temperatures, and eternal darkness. Down here, life finds a way to thrive in the most extraordinary forms imaginable. Every time we send our robotic explorers into these mysterious depths, we are reminded of just how much we still have to learn. For every species we know, countless others are waiting to be found. It's a place of wonder, a realm of strange and beautiful creatures that challenge our understanding of biology. This is a world where new discoveries are not just possible, they are practically guaranteed. Recently, scientists exploring off the coast of Costa Rica made one such incredible discovery. They found a creature so unique, it almost looks like it swam right out of a science fiction movie. Meet Pectinereis Strickrotti, a stunning new species of ragworm. This isn't your average garden worm. This animal is a vibrant, otherworldly being that glides through the darkness with a grace that is simply mesmerizing. Its discovery shines a light on the hidden biodiversity flourishing thousands of feet below the waves, a testament to the resilience and adaptability of life in the most extreme places on Earth. What makes this worm so special? For starters, it's quite large for a deep-sea worm, measuring about 4 inches long. It has a beautiful, almost ethereal appearance, with delicate oar-like appendages called parapodia lining its entire body. These structures catch the light from the submersible's lamps, creating a shimmering, almost magical effect. Finding something so elegant and complex in such a harsh environment is a powerful reminder of nature's endless creativity. It's a privilege to be introduced to a new member of our planet's vast family of animals, especially one that has remained hidden for so long. The team that found this amazing animal was led by scientists from the Scripps Institution of Oceanography and the University of Costa Rica. They were exploring a very special type of deep-sea habitat when they first laid eyes on this graceful swimmer. The discovery was named in honor of Bruce Strickrotti, the lead pilot of the deep-sea submersible Alvin, who has dedicated his career to navigating these challenging underwater landscapes. It's a fitting tribute to the human explorers who venture into the abyss, allowing us to witness these incredible sights and expand our knowledge of the ocean's hidden worlds. Imagine a magic carpet, gliding silently and effortlessly through a hidden kingdom. That's the best way to describe how Pectinereis Strickrotti moves. Unlike many other worms that crawl along the seafloor, this species is an elegant swimmer. It uses its dozens of pairs of parapodia, which act like tiny oars, to propel itself through the water. By moving these appendages in a coordinated, wave-like motion, the worm creates a fluid and graceful dance. This unique form of locomotion allows it to navigate the dark, cold waters with surprising speed and agility, searching for food or avoiding potential threats in its path. This beautiful worm makes its home more than 3,000 feet below the surface of the Pacific Ocean. Down at these depths, there is absolutely no sunlight. The pressure is immense, over 100 times greater than what we experience on land. It's a challenging place to live, to say the least. Yet, Pectinereis Strickrotti is perfectly adapted to this environment. Its body is built to withstand the intense pressure, and it has evolved to find everything it needs in total darkness. This habitat, though seemingly barren to us, is a thriving ecosystem full of specialized life forms that have carved out a niche for themselves. The scientists who discovered the worm were using the famous submersible Alvin. Piloting this incredible machine, they were able to get an up-close look at the worm in its natural habitat. They observed it swimming with its mesmerizing, undulating motion, a behavior that had never been seen before in a worm of this type. The way it glides through the water column is not just beautiful, it's a key survival strategy. Being a strong swimmer gives it an advantage, allowing it to cover more territory and explore different parts of its deep-sea world, a critical skill when resources can be scarce and far apart. The discovery of its swimming ability was a complete surprise. Most related ragworms, known as Neurididae, live in shallower waters and spend their lives burrowing in sediment on the seafloor. Pectinereis Strickrotti breaks all the rules. Its magic carpet swimming style shows us that there is still so much diversity in behavior and form, even within animal families we thought we knew well. This creature is a perfect example of how life adapts in remarkable ways to conquer new environments, pushing the boundaries of what we thought was possible for a simple worm. The home of this magic carpet worm is not just deep, it's a very specific and fascinating place called a methane seep. Think of it as a cold spring on the ocean floor, but instead of water, it releases bubbles of methane gas from beneath the Earth's crust. These seeps create unique chemical environments that are toxic to most forms of life we know on the surface. For many years, scientists believed these deep, dark areas were desolate wastelands. But now we know they are actually bustling oases of life, powered not by sunlight, but by chemical energy from the planet itself. In a world without sunlight, there can be no photosynthesis, the process plants use to make food. So, how does life survive here? The answer is a remarkable process called chemosynthesis. Instead of using sunlight, specialized bacteria and other microbes at the methane seeps use the chemical energy stored in the methane gas to create food. These tiny organisms form the very foundation of the entire food web in this ecosystem. They are the producers, and all the other animals from tiny shrimp to giant tube worms and now our magic carpet worm depend on them for survival. These methane seep communities are like isolated islands of life scattered across the vast, dark expanse of the deep sea floor. Each one can host a unique collection of species, many of which are found nowhere else on Earth. The animals that live here have developed incredible adaptations to thrive on the chemicals that would be poisonous to others. Giant tube worms, for example, have no mouth or stomach. Instead, they house chemosynthetic bacteria right inside their bodies, which provide them with all the nutrients they need. It's a perfect partnership, a beautiful example of symbiosis in one of the planet's most extreme habitats. Finding Pectinereis Strickrotti living among these strange creatures adds another piece to the puzzle of life at methane seeps. Scientists are still working to understand its exact role in this ecosystem. Does it feed on the bacteria? Does it prey on other small animals that live there? Every new species we find helps us build a more complete picture of how these deep-sea oases function. This worm isn't just a cool discovery. It's a clue that helps us understand the intricate connections that link all the life forms in this mysterious and wonderful deep-sea world. The discovery of Pectinereis Strickrotti is exciting, but it's just one part of a much bigger story. The area where it was found, a collection of methane seeps off Costa Rica known as the Jaco Scar, is proving to be a biological hotspot. In the same expeditions, scientists have identified at least 4 other new species of deep-sea animals. This tells us that these unique habitats are cradles of biodiversity, holding countless secrets that we are only just beginning to uncover. Every dive reveals something new, reminding us that the deep ocean is a treasure chest of unknown life. Why does finding new species like this matter so much? Each new animal is a new chapter in the book of life. It provides valuable information for science, helping us understand evolution, adaptation, and the incredible diversity of our planet. Some of these deep-sea organisms may even hold keys to future breakthroughs in medicine and technology. For example, the unique chemical processes they use to survive could inspire new innovations. By studying these creatures, we learn more about the fundamental principles of life itself and how it can persist under the most extreme conditions imaginable. This ongoing exploration is critical for conservation. We cannot protect what we do not know exists. By identifying the unique species that live in these deep-sea habitats, we can make a stronger case for protecting these fragile ecosystems from threats like deep-sea mining and pollution. The discovery of Pectinereis Strickrotti and its neighbors highlights the importance of designating these areas as marine protected zones, ensuring that these incredible worlds can continue to thrive for generations to come, long after we are gone. They are a part of our planet's natural heritage. Ultimately, every new discovery from the deep ocean is a source of wonder and inspiration. It connects us to the wild heart of our planet and reminds us that there are still mysteries left to solve and amazing places to explore. The magic carpet worm is a perfect ambassador for the deep sea, beautiful, mysterious, and a symbol of the endless possibilities that await us in the darkness below. As we continue to send our explorers into the abyss, who knows what other spectacular creatures we will meet. The adventure is only just beginning and the ocean is waiting. As the currents settle and the magic lingers, remember, the ocean holds secrets beyond imagination. Thank you for joining TR Aqua Studios on this voyage of wonder. Until our next adventure, may the tides of curiosity carry you to new horizons.